In a shocking incident reported from Sakleshpur in Hassan district, a group of photographers visiting a temple for a pre-wedding photo shoot was allegedly assaulted by local youths. The incident occurred on the premises of the Betada Bhairashwara temple, a popular scenic spot known for attracting tourists and photography teams. The episode, which was captured on video, has triggered widespread outrage and raised serious concerns about tourist safety in the region. According to reports, the photographers had arrived at the temple early in the day to conduct a pre-wedding shoot in the picturesque surroundings. During the shoot, a group of local men approached them and questioned their presence. The men reportedly demanded to know why the team was shooting at the location and whether they had obtained permission. The photographers responded that they were tourists and believed that no special permission was required to take photographs at a public temple. This exchange soon escalated into a heated verbal argument. The situation quickly turned violent as the group of youths allegedly attacked the photographers. Despite repeatedly asking why they were being assaulted and pleading for an explanation, the victims were reportedly beaten without provocation. The incident disrupted the otherwise peaceful atmosphere of the temple, leaving other visitors shocked and anxious. Eyewitness videos suggest that the attackers also attempted to damage the photographers' equipment during the assault. The incident has sparked strong public outrage, with many condemning the alleged behavior of the local youths. Citizens and netizens alike have criticized the act as Gundism and expressed concern over the safety of tourists visiting popular destinations. Such incidents, observers say, risk tarnishing the image of tourist locations and could negatively impact the local tourism industry. Following the incident, complaints have been filed by both parties at the Sakleshpur Rural Police Station. The police have registered a case and initiated an investigation to ascertain the facts and identify those responsible. Authorities are expected to review the video evidence and take appropriate action based on their findings. The incident has once again highlighted growing concerns over clashes between locals and tourists at popular destinations. Experts stress the need for better awareness, clear guidelines on permissions, and stricter enforcement of law and order to ensure that such incidents are prevented in the future.
Hey! Hey! What is it, sir? Hey! What is it, sir? Sir, what is it, sir? What is it, sir? What is it, sir? Sir! ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ఉంటాರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬರೀ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನ್ ಕಾನೂನು ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನ್ ರೌಡಿಸಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಸರ್ ನಾನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ರೌಡಿಸಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬಿಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬರೀ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ಕಾನೂನು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ರೌಡಿಸಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಸರ್? ನಾನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ರೌಡಿಸಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ನೀವು. ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ? ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ? ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಸರ್? ಯಾರು ಉಂಟವರಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನಾಗೈತಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಮಾತಾಡಿ